Yes, all good. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I hope you guys are doing good. So, guys, I'm here to tell you and how to guide you and teach you how to start your Navodaya studies for your best future, right? So, today we are going to learn what? Today we are going to learn the first part of the Navodaya Vidyalayas grammar section, right? So, who's there? Prachi Shinde, are you there? Okay, all is well. Audio and video clear. Okay, all clear. ठीक है. Just a moment, let me check. Okay guys, see beta, all clear. So first of all I will tell you how to do study. So every day our class will be around 9 o'clock. So 9 to 9:40 around there will be 40 minutes class would be there, because we can't take your long classes, because see, if you take a long classes you will get bored, and you have habits to take a class, do the class of 40 minutes only, right? So I'm here to tell you and teach you English. Okay, so guys, should I start? So today I'm going to start the first lecture of the day and first session of the day. So that is the name of section is prepositions. See, what is the meaning of prepositions? Firstly, you should know prepositions. See, pre plus positions, it's called prepositions. Okay, getting समझ में आ रहा है क्या? What I'm telling you? Okay, prepositions, like I want to show in a short way. Prepositions means in a short, like if you listen and if you heard, like pre plus previous and positions mean positions. Like see, prepositions is like a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun and pronoun. See, like what we say, preposition relation, what is work? What is the work of prepositions? Preposition show the relation between noun and pronoun, and prepositions make sentence meaningful. What makes prepositions make sentence meaningful? For example, if I tell you I'm standing, there is no meaning. I'm standing. I'm sleeping, but where you are sleeping? Where are you standing? Sir, I'm watching, but by what? By hand, by eyes, by leg. So there should be a prepositions. See, there are the few prepositions which you need to learn properly. If you learn properly, then you will understand the concept of the prepositions, as well as you will get 2 to 3 marks in the examination. Okay, so first preposition, like we can say, see, and another word is sentence, right? So for example, the book is on the table, she lives in Pune, and we walk through the park, right? Clear? Prachi, is it clear, beta? Is it clear? Please let me know. Sir, we got it. We understood what you said. Yes or no? So today's first prepositions we are going to learn what on. On prepositions we use to show, actually there are two confusing prepositions like on and above. हम आज क्या लर्न करने वाले कि on और above दो prepositions हैं. पहले इंग्लिश में भी बात करूंगा और हिंदी में भी बात करूंगा. ओके, चलेगा ना? बिकॉज आई थिंक यू आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज, राइट? So today we are going to learn two prepositions, on and above. See, first we are going to start and we are going to learn on. See, if you find the meaning of on and above, the meaning of on and above in Hindi and Marathi is like, if you learn in Hindi, it's upar, and Hindi it's var. In Marathi, var, right? So the actually the basic difference between on and above is, on we use to show when the two objects touch each other, right? And above, when we use to show the two objects don't touch each other, right? So there are the factors कि पहला क्या है, हमें क्या लर्न करना है कि सर ऑन और अबव में क्या फर्क है. कि ऑन और अबव में क्या होता है कि ऑन में दो ऑब्जेक्ट एक दूसरे को टच करते हैं और अबव में एक दूसरे को ऑब्जेक्ट टच करते नहीं है, राइट? करते नहीं है, दे डोंट टच इच अदर, राइट? सो गाइज, क्लियर? समझ में आ रहा है क्या? ये बेसिक फर्क क्लियर है आपका? सो टेल मी गाइज, आई विल आस्क यू सम एग्जांपल. सी फॉर एग्जांपल, टेल मी माय हेयर्स ऑन द हेड या अबव द हेड. first difference. So hairs on the head या above the head. Pari, Prachi, tell me what is the difference? Yes. So what would be the answer? Like I said that कि hairs on head, right? So rule क्या? When we use on का use कब होता है? Days के सामने, dates के सामने, specific days and a specific location. Specific location के सामने भी on का use होता है, right? We use that. So guys, when we say that कि सर on का use कब किया जाता है? जब दो ऑब्जेक्ट एक दूसरे को टच करते, right? When two object touch each other, right? क्लियर है? अभी उसके अलावा ऑन का यूज हम कब करते हैं कि सर कब किया जाता है? डेज के लिए ऑन का यूज किया जाता है. लाइक फर्स्ट यूज तो कॉमन तो यूज पता है कि बुक इज ऑन द टेबल, किड्स प्लेइंग ऑन द ग्राउंड, राइट? वी नो द बेसिक यूज ऑफ ऑन. सो द राइट ग्रामेटिकल यूज वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न डेट्स एंड स्पेशल डेज एंड specific location, like that. So for example, we have how many days? We have days, dates and specific days. So we have 7 days, right? So we can say that sir, last Monday on Monday I had gone to America. On Monday I had gone to America. We can say I met her on Sunday, right? I met her on Sunday, right? So day use. Like for example, I can show you, I can explain you more. Like for days, say we have how many days we have? We have 7 days. Like a Monday, we will start from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Like समझ में आ रहा है कि सर ऑन का यूज कब किया जाता है? ऑन का यूज तो डेज के सामने भी किया जाता है. For example, on Sunday, we can say on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on like that, on Saturday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday. Clear? Is it clear, guys? समझ में आ रहा है? You guys are getting what I'm saying? समझ में आ रहा है क्या? The first use of on is like a days and right. And second, dates. For example, dates. Like a dates, I will tell you. Dates, for example, we can say like a 10th March is the first date. Like then we can say 11th May. Then we can say 3rd June, 3 okay. We can say 8 April. 8 April. Then we can say 10th of June, like 10th June. So समझ में आ रहा है? परी एंड प्राची, गाइज यू गाइज आर गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि ऑन का यूज कब किया जाता है? कि सर ऑन का यूज डेज के सामने किया जाता है और डेट्स के सामने भी किया जाता है. लाइक ऑन 10th March, इट्स अ डेट्स, राइट? ऑन 11th May, ऑन 3rd June, ऑन 8th March, ऑन 10th July. Is it clear? Guys, sorry, I'm not feeling well. Okay, you guys are getting? Yes, Vedant, very good बेटा. ठीक है. So first समझ में आपके कि ऑन और अबव में क्या फर्क होता है? ऑन में दो ऑब्जेक्ट एक दूसरे को टच होते, अबव में नहीं होते. लेकिन ऑन का when we use that, above we used to show like in front of days, in front of dates, like on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, as well as we used to show like dates like a 10th March, on 10th March, on 11th May, on 3rd June, on we can say on 8th April or 10th June. Okay, yes. So clear, guys? And next I'm going to tell you कि when we use this a specific location, like a specific location, we say that right now I am on bus stand. We say on bus stand, on airport, on bus stop. We say specific. On ground, on terrace, on airport, right? Is it clear? Clear हुआ आपका? Yes, Vedant, Pari, Prachi. क्लियर बेटा? चलो, सो नेक्स्ट, above. Above, when we use above, we used to show, listen to me, I will tell you everything. Above is a preposition that shows the position at the higher or place or level. Like, clear hai? Higher level of positions we used to show, and there are some uses of above. See, for example, when we use above, let me tell you, above we to show, like for example, we show like a height, to show height more than that, something we show, we say कि this tower height is above 500 feet. Like, how we say that? We say that this tower height is above 500 feet. Yeah, on? No, there will be no on, because on we used to show when two objects touch each other, right? And height doesn't get changed. Okay, so height, we say the tower height, you can say my father height is above 5 feet. Yes, right? Height. Then weight, right? For example, weight, we can say this bag weight is like above 40 kg, right? Above 40 kg, right? This bag weight is above 40 kg, right? 40 kg, we say that, right? Okay, so even though you can say, sir, you can say my brother height is above 6 feet, right? We can say my brother height is above 6 feet. Exactly. Vedant, Prachi, Pari, you guys are getting what I'm teaching you? समझ में आ रहा है? Yes or no? Then salary, we say for salary, like we say that my father, please let me know, whether you're getting or not, please let me know, my father salary is above 50,000, right? Okay, guys, please let me know, Vedant and all that. ठीक है, okay, so clear, no worries. Then we show income, then percentage, we show percentage. See, in a NEET exam, Raj got above 495 marks, right? Clear? In a percent, if you want to get an admission for the MBBS, you should get above 600 marks, above 500 marks, right? We say that, right? For example, then we show at the age, like age. I want to say that for next we show to use like age, higher place, age also, right? We can say my grandmother age, my grandmother age is above 90, right? Is it clear? Is it clear? My grandmother age is above 90, right? We can say above baga above 18 years old people are only allowed, right? क्लियर है? समझ में आ रहा है क्या बच्चा पार्टी? बच्चा पार्टी, is it clear or not? Clear. So, for example, so we today, what we learned today, I taught you two prepositions, on and above, and on and above, which are very confusing and easy to learn, right? So from today onwards, you will not get confused. Okay, Prachi, Pari, and Vedant, you won't get confused. Okay, so guys, next preposition is at. Next preposition at. For example, at, when we use like it's a preposition used to show time, small location, age, and address. See, when we use at we use to show like a time, exact time. Okay, what? Exact time. If you want to say that exact time, so I say I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. It's the exact time, right? It's the exact time. So so my school starts at 7:30. My father goes to office at 10 o'clock, right? So I come to home from school at 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, exact time. Okay, see, I will tell you. For example, at just a moment. Where is in? I did not add in, just a moment. In. Okay, like beta, look at me. Just a moment. Can you increase speed of pen? Please increase speed of. Okay. So when we use at, just a moment. At we use to show, just a moment. At. At we used to show exact time, small location, and for what? When we use small location and age and address, okay. When we use to show age and address, okay, ADDRESS, address, okay. Guys, क्लियर? हम एट का यूज कब करते हैं? एग्जैक्ट टाइम के लिए. किसके लिए करते हैं? एग्जैक्ट टाइम. ओके, नहीं दिख रहा है क्या? एट, जस्ट मोमेंट, लेट मी. ओके, आई थिंक इट्स नॉट. ओके, एट का यूज कब करते हैं हम? एट का यूज हम करते हैं एग्जैक्ट टाइम. एग्जैक्ट टाइम, स्मॉल लोकेशन, एज एंड एड्रेस. To show address, okay, to show address. For example, if you want to say exact time, my class starts at 9 p.m. right? My class starts at 9 p.m. Clear है बालनो? समझ सका सर? Okay, you are not understanding my handwriting. ठीक है, let me clear you right. Okay, Ridansh, now is it clear? You will get this. Don't worry guys, आपको इसके नोट्स भी मिल जाएंगे. परी, आपको इसके नोट्स भी मिलेंगे, नोट्स मिलेंगे. डोंट वरी, इन पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट. ओके, आता बघा. कब इसके आ जाते हैं? एग्जैक्ट टाइम, स्मॉल लोकेशन, एज एंड एड्रेस के लिए हम करते. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माय, आता बताओ, she will come here at 10 p.m. right? वो यहाँ पे 10 बजे आएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू वांट टू से स्मॉल लोकेशन. बाकी समझ में आ रहा है? पर ये हैंड राइटिंग नहीं, लेकिन बाकी टीचिंग वगैरह समझ में आ रही है बेटा? लेक्चर तो समझ में आ रहे हैं ना? समझ में आ रहे कि नहीं आ रहे? प्लीज लेट मी नो. यस और नो? बच्चा, एग्जैक्ट टाइम हो गया एट 9 o'clock, एट 6 o'clock, एट 5 o'clock, एट 2 o'clock. Okay, see, then I go to bed. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I go to bed 10:30 p.m. ओके, ठीक है. एग्जैक्ट टाइम हो गया. स्मॉल लोकेशन, द नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट स्मॉल लोकेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई लिव इन छत्रपति संभाजीनगर, राइट? बट देर आर सो मेनी लोकेशंस, देर आर सो मेनी एरियाज. द लाइक वी कैन से, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी से शिवाजी नगर, यदि आप गांव से होंगे तो गांव की तरफ भी क्या है, गांव की तरफ फॉर एग्जाम्पल एट कोराड़ा, एट कुर्रा, एट दिस एट दैट यूज किया जाता है। स्मॉल लोकेशन मतलब क्या होता है कि इफ यू वांट टू से एट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन से आई लिव इन संभाजीनगर, इट्स अ बिग एरिया संभाजीनगर, राइट, बट देर इज अ स्पेसिफिक एरिया औरंगपुरा, देर इज अ specific small area, it's called Aurangpura and Nirala Bazar. We can say our class is at Nirala Bazar. Our class is at Nirala Bazar. Okay, अपना क्लास कहाँ पे, निराला बाजार पे, it's small location, right, small location you can say. Then my school is at शिवाजी नगर, शिवाजी नगर, मेरी स्कूल कहां पे है, शिवाजी नगर पे। ओके, यस, क्लियर। एंड देन ये क्लियर हुआ आपको, आपको नोट्स भी निकालने हैं, प्राची, वेदांत, परी, हृदांश, एवरीवन हैज टू मेक नोट्स ऑल्सो। ओके, don't listen only, kindly note down also your notes. Okay guys, clear? Please write it down. This is not the movie is not going on, we are learning. So for you should have, while attending the class, you should have your own notebooks and pen, right? You should have notebook and pen. It means what did you learn today, you should write it down. Okay, should I start? See, next, address. We can say address like at school, at mandi, at market, at airport, at Usmanpura, right? Okay, so just a moment. So second, like a next, our preposition is in. मोस्ट कंफ्यूजिंग प्रेपोजिशन इज इन सी, इन का मतलब क्या होता है, बीच में होता है, राइट, इन वी यूज टू शो बीच में। सो लाइक सी, इन कब यूज किया जाता है, इन मतलब अंदर होता है, लाइक इन इज अ प्रीपोजिशन टू शो समथिंग इनसाइड अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम और प्लेस। ओके, यस, कब यूज किया जाता है, इनका यूज कब किया जाता है, लुक एट दिस, राइट इट डाउन एवरीवन, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन। सही, इनका यूज जैसे कि डेज के लिए किया जाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन से इन 4 days, राइट, बघा, आई एम इन राइट नाउ, आई एम इन मुंबई, आई विल कम देयर इन 4 days. ओके गाइज, यू कैन लर्न इंग्लिश इन 180 days, लाइक 180 days, आप इंग्लिश 180 days में सीख सकते हो। शी वॉज देयर, ओके, नंबर ऑफ वीक्स के लिए भी, इन 4 weeks हम बोलते, इन 4 weeks, in 5 weeks. Next, we can say months. For months also we use in, like I was born in September, Diwali is in November, we celebrate Christmas in December, as well as there are some example we can say in 4 months I will make you speak English, in 6 months, in 8 months, in 10 months, in 100 months, like, okay. So like years, India got freedom in 1947. I was born in 1990. I was born in 1919. He was, okay, Narendra Modi had become Prime Minister of India first time in 2014. Okay, like a season. Okay, it's rain, it's rains in a monsoon. I will go to my mama's house या uncle house in winter, in Diwali. Okay, clear? Then decades, in 2 decades, in 3 decades, in 4 decades and century, इसके लिए यूज किया जाता है, राइट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे दिए, जैसे कि यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिक टाइम का भी यूज किया जाता है, लाइक स्पेसिफिक टाइम के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है। वी कैन से in 10 minutes, in 15 minutes, Okay, here we have mentioned in months and all that. Okay, is it clear or not? Hello, clear or not? Please let me know. Yes sir, it's clear. Chalo. So there are few questions now we will solve. Okay, you will answer this question. Okay, you will answer these questions. So today I'm going to take a 50 questions. Prachi, Vedant, give me answer. First questions, we will meet dash 5 p.m. in, on, at, above. What would be our right answer? Please let me know what would be our right answer. Can you answer this? You guys are there? Please let me know. Exactly, Prachi. Why at is? Because the exact time it has mentioned. It has mentioned exact time. When we talked about exact time, like for example, not only 5 o'clock, even if you say that 5:15, 5:35, like that also, when that also we have to use at. So we will meet dash 5 p.m. So because it has mentioned when we use exact time, that time we need to use at. Very good, guys. Keep it up. So tell me the answer of next question. My birthday is dash 10th May. In specific time, season, locations, big locations. इनका यूज बिग लोकेशन भी किया जाता है इन इंडिया, इन पाकिस्तान, इन पुणे, इन मुंबई एंड दिल्ली. Exactly, Ra. Because it has mentioned clearly date. See, on we used to show days and dates. Days and dates. Like on 10th March, on 15th, this is on 10th. Like my birthday is dash 10th May. Okay, yes. Next question. The picture. The picture is the fireplace. The picture is dash. पिक्चर कहाँ पे है? फायर की जगह बगा. ये प्लेस के लिए यूज किया. इट हैज यूज फॉर द प्लेस, फायर प्लेस मतलब जहां पे आग लगे वाली है. द पिक्चर इज ए पिक्चर कहां पर दो, इसका क्या आएगा? शी वॉज बॉर्न. ईयर, ईयर मेंशन किया है. ईयर, ईयर. रिदांश, परी, वेदांत, प्राची. ओके, यू गाइस आर गेटिंग? समझ में आ रहा है? Ridansh, Pari, Vedant, Prachi. Please give me answer. Because see there the picture is dash the fireplace. कहा कहा का मतलब ये पिक्चर कुठला आहे? ये पिक्चर कुठे आपण, ये पिक्चर like that specific at. The answer would be at because a place, a small location. नहीं, on the fireplace नहीं आता है. At the fireplace. Okay. On there is no on the fireplace, it's at the fireplace because we use a small place, right? The next answer, she was born dash 1998. She was born, वो पैदा कब हुई थी? 1998 में. So years के लिए we use year. We use year. क्या आता है? years के लिए we use she was born. क्या आएगा आंसर? in. Exactly. Very good, guys. चलो. She arrived dash the airport at 6 p.m. Small location. See, small location. When we talk about small location, the answer क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? She arrived dash the airport at 6 p.m. at, on, above. क्या आएगा वहां पे आंसर? व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर? Exactly, because small location at. We have English class dash Monday. Very good. Very good. Right. Very good. The answer, because when we use days and dates in front of them, we need to use on. Exactly, on. So next question. My father was born 1985. मेरे पापा कब पैदा हुए थे? Yes. Hurry up. Please tell me answer. Vedant. क्या आएगा? Year. It has mentioned they have mentioned the year. So what would be in front of year? What we use? On कैसे आएगा रे भाई और बहनों? On आएगा ना? अरे year दिया है ना? COVID had came in India 2019 in 2019 ना? वहां पे on कैसे आएगा? How could you use on, guys, when we talk about years, seasons, months, small locations, specific time? The answer in. Like, there is a fan dash our head. It's a little bit tricky question, huh? Little bit tricky questions. Sorry. Ridansh, Pari, Prachi, while attending class, you should have your notebook as well as pen. Okay. So movie is not going on. You should write it down. Exactly, Vedan. Because on, why we can't use on? Because हम on क्यों नहीं यूज कर सकते? कि फैन थोड़े हमारे सिर के ऊपर है, above होता है ना? Exactly. Very good. Above. Keep it up, guys. You will make my name big. Okay. See that. She is waiting dash the bus stop. We have 15 questions to solve it. Okay. Here I will take your all questions. I will be solving all questions. Okay, don't worry about the result and all that. Don't worry. Okay, you guys are getting? समझ में आ रहा है? Exactly, because it's a small location at. Next, the books are dash table. Very good, Pari. And I mentioned there 10 number on like this. Okay, on. So guys, next we celebrate Christmas dash December. There is a month. अरे यार, मंथ के सामने कैसे ऑन आएगा? मंथ के सामने हमेशा ऑन किसके सामने आता है? डेज और डेज, जैसे कि ऑन मंडे, ऑन ट्यूसडे, ऑन वेडनेसडे, लाइक सो when we talk about months, there should be in preposition, in. Okay. Next question. The bird is flying. Like this is the bird. See, for example, this is the tree, and few birds are flying like this, like above. So they are not touching. Yes. At the trees कैसे आएगा रे रिदांश? At trees कैसे आएगा? झाड़ के ऊपर से फ्लाई करते हैं ना, दे फ्लाई अबव द ट्रीज, राइट? इन नहीं आएगा बेटा. इन कैसे आएगा? द बर्ड इज फ्लाइंग, वो ऊपर से फ्लाई कर रहे हैं ना, सेम जैसे पंखा है, जैसे बर्ड फ्लाई करता है, टच नहीं कर रहे हैं ना ट्री को. सो द आंसर वुड बी अबव. ओके, लास्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस आर रिमेनिंग. ओके, हाँ. आई यूजुअली वेकअप, मैं हमेशा 6 बजे के आसपास उठता हूं. मुझे 6 बजे उठता हूं. Exact time. It has mentioned exact time. So what would be our answer? I usually wake up dash 6 o'clock. Exactly at 6 o'clock. Then she lives dash small village. Small location, it's a small location, right? She lives at. Then last question of the day, the train leaves dash Friday evening. मतलब Friday evening को ट्रेन जाती है. The train leaves, simple present tense. So answer, what would be answer? Tell me guys. Yes, on Friday. So guys, you understood whatever I taught today? Do you have any doubt, query? Do you have doubt or query? If you have, please let me know. Vedant, is it clear? थोड़ा 5-10 मिनट आगे बैच, क्योंकि अपने बैक टू बैक लेक्चर है 6 से 10. सो गाइज 8-10 के आसपास अपनी बैच, मतलब जो आपका लेक्चर 8 बजे के 8-10 के आसपास चालू हो जाएगा डेली. कल से आपका ईवीएस का लेक्चर भी होगा. ओके, is it clear? So should we stop guys? So tomorrow we will see you. Meanwhile, have a good time and good night. Sleep tight. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.